Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video we'll very quickly show you how to install graphics packs on Fivem. So guys, firstly of course you will have to grab Fivem application itself. Just go to the fivem.net and press on the download client. You'll get the application that you will need to install. So do that. Now let us move forward. Of course, if you want to install some kind of mod, you will need to download it first. So in my case, for example, I will go ahead and download Visual V. This is a graphics modification for GTA 5. So press on download. Let us download the archive first. Alright, start download. Okay, pretty easy. Okay, now open up the archive. And guys, you will need to copy certain files into certain folders to basically install this modification. Okay guys, in here in this archive you need to go to original files, open up this original files file. Alright, it's going to be sort of like a archive as well with a very weird extension. Okay, now you want to go to the first folder, update RPF, common, data, and these are the files, your primary files that will contain your modification, your visual modification. And how to install it now, it's very easy. So my friends, you will have to open up your file explorer and go to this part right over here. So it's going to be your C drive. That's basically where you will install your Fivem data basically. After that you go to, of course, your user. In my case, it's a different name. You'll have a different name, different user, app data, local, Fivem, citizen, common, and data. Okay, so remember this part. All right, so this is the part, as you can see. This is what it looks like. Okay, guys, and you just need to select all these files, drag them to this folder, and after that, your graphics modification for your GTA 5 will be successfully installed. As you can see guys, it's very easy. Just make sure to navigate to the proper folder, which is going to be this part right over here. You can screenshot it or just pause the video and do everything that's required. And that's basically it guys. It's very easy. Hopefully you enjoy it. Hopefully it helps. Press like on the video, subscribe. See you in the next one.